I do it again.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up.
What is up, you guys? So this video is from Splat Zone. I hope you guys enjoy it. It has a couple funny moments in it. I forgot my shoes or my cleats or whatever, so I was playing in Crocs, so I played home most of the time. But I hope that you guys do enjoy the video. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's linked down below, or you can just go to Instagram and search up _StirMe_. Anyways, guys, I hope that everyone's had a great week. I hope everyone's day's going really well. I hope everyone enjoys their weekend. But let's get right into the video, guys.
You guys ready? Yep. Paintball in 3.
Redo that.
You call it.
Here we go.
Hey, your mayor. Yep. Hey, where are they? What do we got? D1. D1, what else? Hey, what do you got? D1 only? Hey, D1 only? D2.
I can't fucking shoot.
Hey, my man. Hey, the back wedge. Back wedge, 500. Hey, lost our D side. Hey, D3. Hey, 50 brick. Hey, cross up.
Playing lacrosse.
Yes, sir. Drip.
How's the traction on them though? Are they like?
Oh, it's pretty slippery out. Pretty slippery.
Shoes are I don't know if they're losing grip. Go!
Back center, Dorito 1. Back center, Dorito 1. Yup. Hey, the W. What'd you say? Hey, D3. Hey, the brick on your side, the 50 brick on your side. This one. Yeah, D3, back right, 50 brick. Hey, 50 bricks a G. He's moving. Hey, just the back. Just the back right. Hey. Give me that 3 card, baby.
Who's your daddy?
No one to the tower. What do you got? D2. Hey, what do you? Hey, lost him. Stay alive. Get out. All right.
Go!
corner. D2, D2. Doritos a kill. Hey, just one, he's in the back. Just the one in the back wedge. Back wedge, back wedge. He's on me. Hey, he's a G, game. Can? Hey, only me and you, only me and you.
Go, go, go.
I got the back right. Back right. Back right's a G, back right's a G. What do we got? Hey, the can, home, the can, home, kill the can, home, somewhere in the Doritos. Home, home, home's on me. Hey, is there anyone in the Doritos still? Home's on the left corner of it. Hey, Lawson! Did you just go there off break?
Yeah, well, go, go, go!
D1, D1! D1, hey, my gun's down. D1. Hey, back left. Back left, D1, where else? Dorito wants a kill. Hey, back left for sure. Dorito 1, back left. Oh, no, back left. Hey, home, 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 home. 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 Hey, two at the home. Two at the home. Two at the home. The can. Hey, we lost one. Hey, kill one of the Dorito guys. What do you got? The can? The can home?
At the home still, at the home.
Can home? The can? Can in the home for sure.
I say no.
I'm Mr. Body Catcher, Slaughter Gang Soul Snatcher. Ain't no regular F-150, this a fucking rapper.